Yo, everyone treats the Flipper Zero, the Cardputer-ADV, and the PicoCalc like three separate little devices. We have one for radio frequency stuff, one for coding on the go, one for LoRa and Wi-Fi pen testing, and that's it. I just gave all three of them a shared brain, and it's running locally, which means no cloud and no monthly AI subscription. Let me show you how. So here's where this idea came from. I've got Picoware running across the Cardputer-ADV and the PicoCalc. That's my custom firmware. It's what powers Flip Social and a bunch of other projects I've shown here before. But every one of these devices is smart on its own, but dumb together. If the Cardputer actually wants to think about something, it's either doing nothing or pinging some cloud API that you don't control, that logs your data and costs you money every month. That's not really in the spirit of what this community is about. We love owning our hardware. We like knowing exactly what it's doing and where the data goes. So I wanted to build the missing piece, a local brain that these devices can talk to that never touches the internet. And this is what fixes that. Okay, so here's exactly how this is put together. ZimaBoard 2 runs ZimaOS. Think of it like a home operating system with its own app store. Now, everything in the app store is deployed through Docker Compose. So it's basically one-click installs for full server stacks. I grabbed the Ollama app straight from the store, and now I've got a local language model running on this board with zero manual setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. Picoware has a built-in agent. I've already got the agent connected locally to the ZimaBoard, and it's not just chatting with the model. It's actually using it to create apps, pull firmware info, and manage the device itself. So we're not just asking the AI a question and getting a response. It's using that local model as a real functional layer for the device. For the Cardputer and PicoCalc, the app talks to the ZimaBoard directly through the local network, sending straight HTTP requests from Picoware to the Ollama API on the ZimaBoard 2. Now, the Flipper Zero's a little different since FlipperHTTP, the Wi-Fi bridge firmware I built, is Flipper only and not directly in Picoware. So the Flipper reaches the ZimaBoard through FlipperHTTP's own bridge, while Cardputer and PicoCalc go straight through the agent. Now, if you're running Picoware and you want the agent connected to your own local server, I'll drop what you need below. And if you're new here, this is exactly the kind of hands-on stuff we do often, so subscribe if that's your thing. For our first demo, we're on the Cardputer-ADV, and I'm going to ask the agent for basic firmware info. And for our second demo, we're on the PicoCalc, and we're going to ask the agent to create a new app. We give it a prompt and it gets sent to the local model on the ZimaBoard. Then it uses tooling to fetch the information and then generate the app right there on device. Remember, this is running entirely on my local network. No cloud model wrote this. And for our third demo, we are using the agent to manage the device itself. Now, I have to be real with you because this is not magic. The model running on ZimaBoard 2 through Ollama is pretty small. I'm using Quinn 3.59b. It's nothing close to Claude Fable 5. We have limited context windows, so don't expect it to handle huge complex requests. But with a GPU attached to the ZimaBoard 2, like the RTX 3060, I'm still able to do a lot, like control my devices, write apps, debug firmware, and more. So this proves you can run a genuinely private, no internet connected AI layer. And for what these devices need day to day, that's more than enough. So there you have it, the Cardputer-ADV and PicoCalc talking to a local AI server through Picoware. The Flipper Zero connects to it through FlipperHTTP and a Flipper Zero app. All of this is running on a $339 board and nothing touches the cloud. Now I want to hear from you. How do you feel about the ZimaBoard 2 and the ability to run local AI agents? And if you've already been using Picoware, let me know below what you've built with the agent app. Or if you have any questions or concerns, you can drop that below too. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.